And great for dogs, great for giving them baths, great for them to play. Right, Emma? Yeah. Hey guys, welcome to Unboxing with Scott. So for today's video, we are unboxing and setting up this dog pool. It's also a kid pool as well, but you know, dog pool, kid pool, whatever. So it's 63 by 11.81. So let's get unboxing and setting it up. So guys, this has a hard outer shell. So these are hard panels, and the fabric is made stronger, so you know, dog claws and paws. So yeah, you just pull it out and it stays up. It's actually pretty amazing. And guys, for setup, this is probably going to be the fastest pool that you guys can set up. It literally takes, I would say, 1 minute. Pull it out of the package and take it apart, pull it apart. Maybe a minute and a half, and that's it. I mean, it's that simple. And now we just fill it up with water and you're good to go. Very quick, very simple. Cool fish designs here. So the easiest way to do it is going to be just to fill it from the top. I don't know why. I saw a bunch of videos of people filling it from here, actually filling it from there, so I just assumed, you know, they must know what they're doing. However, I think that's going to be best for draining, and up top here is going to be best for filling. And you just lay the hose over like this and fill it up. And great for dogs, great for giving them baths, great for them to play. Right, Emma? Yeah. Overall, guys, it's a nice pool.